Hi, my name is Mads Jespersen. I'm from FlowHow, and FlowHow is a company where we sell Moldex3D, do training and etc. And we also do consultancy business if you have problems in developing plastic parts. In this video today, I will show you how to use roundness if you're looking at round shapes and if you want have made a simulation and then would check up if you could expect a round part. What I'm using is Moldex3D release 17 and it's in Studio. So if I have a part here, I have a warped result over here where we can try to scale the deformation. I will get rid of the code runner boundary like that, and it has a deformed shape a bit like that. The reason for this is that it's a fiber-filled material, so it's quite hard to make this round in reality. Okay, so I want to see the roundness up here, and what I'll do is I'll take this one, roundness, and then I have to pick an edge. I can pick one edge, but I can also pick a number of edges, and these over here is the picking conditions. You can try out if you're how these numbers works when you're picking something out. But what I'm doing is I'm just picking on an edge. If I want not the whole edge and deselect some of the edge, I could keep control down and deselect, and again I can like this have the full circle. Then I just say save and close, and I see the roundness here. But over in the tree, I have a, okay, this was the roundness one. I have this roundness one here. Then I can right click it, or I can edit if I want to take some of the lines out. But I can export this out. And then I got an Excel sheet with the roundness, and I can see a scaled view of the roundness with the different characteristics of dimensions for it. Remember, it's only at that place. Where is this located, this file? If you go up in the File Explorer, I'm in Run 8, File Explorer. If I hit that one, Report, Run 8, and you'll find it down here. Away with that. If you want the roundness at different place, could be down here in the middle of the cylinder, then the easiest way is to divide the surface before you go into the mesh, so you have something to pick. Because if you look at this one, yeah, in some areas I have lines that I could pick for roundness, but when I go out here, it would be something going up and down. So that was just an easy explanation how to use roundness. Thanks for looking at the video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.